today's activities on what we have on the agenda. So today I actually just got a listing yesterday. So now I'm going to show you some oh my god, my cats are fighting. I'm going to show you some listing agent things that I have to do today. We gotta write the bio. I have photos scheduled for tomorrow, and then listing goes live Friday, and then open houses Saturday and Sunday. We're letting it rip, my boy. So anyways, I got open MLS here. Oh my god, my cat's literally. Calm down, children. Today, I already wrote the bio. Now we gotta put it on the interweb. So here we go. I'm gonna kind of show you. We're gonna do add, edit. It's gonna look different for everybody depending on what platform or MLS you're on. So we're gonna add a new listing. Woo! There we go. And now I gotta fill out all of this stuff.
Oh, that's such a hard day. Such a hard day.
So, anywho, a lot of inputting. We gotta enter like all the city information. I don't have the pictures yet, so I'm just gonna save this as a draft. So anyways, you guys can sit here with me as I input this data. I wanna get as much of it done as possible, and then I'm gonna open our marketing suite and kind of like design some like print marketing. Will be the first open houses, and for open houses, like as soon as it hits the market, I love to like really kind of make it a big thing. So I'm gonna get balloons, maybe like some fun refreshments or something. Okay, so I'm gonna do this, and yeah. So what I like to do, I like to print out like a little of the address. So now we're just gonna tape all those on right now, and then add a balloon. I had one job, stick it in the ground. I like to put balloons on it, so I just kind of, people stare at it. All right, to the open house. All right, we are at the listing today. Did a whirlwind, turning on all the lights. I wanted to bring a little champagne toast. Something fun for everybody. I noticed no one really eats or drinks in LA. So I know they do drink caffeine and alcohol. So we're gonna go with the champagne toast today. I also just downloaded this open house app. So yeah, I use my iPad to have people sign in. Yeah, I'll give you guys a little tour of the place. But yeah, that's today's program, is open houses. Come bearing things. Let me show you. Ignore all the mess behind me. I have a broker's open tomorrow, and a little hack, instead of buying all this stuff at like Party Plus, I go to Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna make an iced latte bar. I got some quotes from some different iced coffee companies, but honestly they were charging like almost like anywhere from $2 to $3 grand, which is pretty insane because you could get a taco bag for like $400, but no one in LA really like eats. So I got all these cute little dishes. I got a little ice bucket. I went and bought some ice. I got some little scoopers, almond milk, half and half, oat milk, and I'm gonna put them in these little ice buckets. Dude, all this stuff was literally like so cheap. I don't know what these are for, but I was like, maybe I could find a use. Cute little thing at Dollar Tree also. I got compostable, how do you say it? Compostable straws for the bar, sugar in the raw stevia, and like French vanilla things. So I just found these in the gift tag section of Target, and I'm just gonna write like oat milk or almond or whatever. So yeah, that's a little situation, and I'm gonna have the coffee delivered directly to the listing, so that makes life easier. It was just at Party Plus. I spent like maybe $60 on literally the same stuff. Yeah, this was literally probably under 20 for everything. Little pro tip, you don't have to spend more sometimes to get the same exact thing. Also got cookies, so I'm gonna bake cookies. All right, whatever, forget it. I bought this at Target before in the dish section, And this looks so cute to put cookies or whatever on. But in order to kind of like avoid mess, I also got these bags at Dollar Tree. Once the cookie's cool, I'm gonna put one cookie and seal it in like a cute little baggie. Display them on the thing, because the goal is people don't eat the cookies inside the house and they take the cookie to go. Welcome to my broker open. We have the iced coffee bar. Came out really cute. Then we have the fresh baked cookies that I made myself last night. And then we got these views. My sister associate. Hi, I'm Zoe.
Nice to meet you. Pleasure.
Nice to meet you.
So, are you like the landlord? Like, if we have a problem, do I call you?
No, I'm the listing agent, but I can definitely show you the house. This could actually be like a whiskey bar. I don't know if you're into whiskey or...
I like a little bit of vodka.
Oh, vodka
actually.
guy. Ouch.
You don't like that?
No.
What do you drink?
I drink tequila.
Oh, really? Well,
Yeah.
we can do tequila in this house.
Let's make it happen. Let's talk.
Let's talk.
Someone loves their apple lunch.
Oh.
I think this is the one, right?
I think this is this is the one.
I was going to show you guys a $6 million house, but you want to kind of think about this one too.
We could go look at it just, to hang out and look at it, but we'll save it for another day.
Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. There was a lot of other footage, but can't find it at the moment, so I'm just gonna let this one run. Yeah, if you want to check out the full listing, I put the link in the bio. And also the full video of that other little clip. Nick, I put it in the link. So yeah, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and I have part 2 of my Croatia, Greece, Ibiza trip coming up. It's literally being edited. So yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!